Want to make great tasting, nutritious, plant-based food? Fast, easy, low cost, low energy, with very little cleanup? Then let's get to it. Hello, double cheeseburger. What could be better than that? Not too many people don't like double cheeseburgers. You can make this a single cheeseburger if you want to. I'm making mine a double because this is going to be my dinner. There's nothing on the side. I don't have any fries, which I wish I had some sweet potato fries, but I don't. So let's get started. 2 patties. This is 365 veggie burgers. They're fantastic. I love them. They're just the best. They're not expensive, just incredibly good. And I've just thawed them out, so they're ready to go. They're gonna go in this little aluminum tray. So I'm not gonna use any other metal trays in here. I've done this numerous times. These go right, this slides right in the toaster oven, and the medium right in the middle rack, and these get 5 minutes. And I'm gonna do 4 minutes, pull them out, put the cheddar cheese, which is the Kraft Not Cheese. It's going to go on there. I love this stuff. It's just fantastic. And I'll put that on one, put it back in, and just leave it for 1 more minute to get that melted on top. And that's going to do that part of it. While that's going on for 5 minutes, I'm going to just sort of put this in the microwave with some water. This is a portobello mushroom. So I love portobello mushrooms on this sandwich. It's fantastic. So I'm going to put this in water, a little bit of water in the bottom of a bowl. Just set it in the oven. I'm going to slice this up first, and then I'm going to season it with garlic powder, salt, and pepper. That's all I'm going to do. Just want to season the portobello mushroom because otherwise they're great, but having the seasoning on them is going to be terrific. It just makes it even much more better. Much more better? Much better. So with that said, I got some great herb salad here. I love this stuff. I get it at TJ's. It's fantastic. I eat it almost every day in my salad, which I have for lunch. I'm pretty much eating the same thing every day, breakfast, lunch. Dinner is different, so I change up the dinner every night. But breakfast and lunch, it's like 99% of the time, it's the same thing. Unless I'm out or something, that's a different story. I've got some green onions going on here, which is great. Avocado, I'm gonna use 1/3 of the avocado. And you can use anything you want on here. If you want ketchup, if you want deli mustard, if you want yellow mustard, if you want Dijon, anything you want for the condiment to go on. Nothing, doesn't really matter. That's up to you. One of my favorites are deli mustard, Dijon, but my favorite for most sandwiches I make is hummus. I love hummus as a spread. It's got this great flavor, it just does everything, and I love it on this burger. I've made this burger before for myself. So I'm just doing a video of it so you see how easy this is. This is a 5-minute double cheeseburger, and I think I'll put the whole cost up, and I'll show you what it cost if you went to buy this, let's say at one of the places that sell veggie burgers, The Habit, which has a great veggie burger, but you'll see the difference in price between you making your own double burger and their double veggie burger, and what you get there and what you get by making it yourself. And again, this is like, there's no real pre-prep. This is a 5-minute operation. Remember, you have to get your burgers thawed out, so you just leave them out. It doesn't take any time. Just take them out, put them in the refrigerator on a paper plate or bowl or dish or whatever you want to put them on. Put them right in the tray if you make this same kind of tray. I've just made this out of aluminum. It's just double folded sides, and it goes in here, and that's it. So again, 2 veggie patties, 365. This is potato. I love these, this potato bun. These are really big ones. I love these larger ones. They're fantastic. A lot of the buns you get today in the store, somehow or another, I don't know why, they keep making them smaller for some reason. But I like this bun. These potato ones, this is all, no animal products in this bun. But these potato ones are just like, I don't know, and they use the golden potatoes to make them, so they just have this great texture and flavor. I love them. For burgers, my favorite bun is the potato bun. So a potato bun, avocado, portobello, mixed herb, lettuce, what's going on, not lettuce, but mixed herb herbs. That's what's going on there. One slice. Now, this slice is the recommended serving. You can put 2 slices, 3 slices, 4 slices, put as many slices as you want. I'm using 1 because it's very good. It's very cheddary. It's the Kraft, they're not a sponsor or anything. I just did the review September 1 when they first came out, were first available. It's just it's the best tasting, closest to real cheese I've found. And I've tested a lot of the plant-based cheeses. They just did it right. Well, it was a team up with Notco. So they're famous for doing really great stuff, this plant-based. And the green onion, that's gonna go in. So I'm gonna get all this stuff ready to go. We're gonna put it together. So I'll be back. Okay, here's all the stuff. Beautiful. It smells fantastic. There's the cheese on there, just melted beautifully. Let's put this thing together. Here we go. Okay, so got my portobello mushrooms here. I'm not probably using all these. The rest of them, which will go in a soup. This bowl of broth is fantastic for soup. I do this all the time. I'm gonna save this broth. I usually save a couple of these portobello mushrooms in here. And then I add a few other ingredients to it, and it's just fantastic broth, especially in the cold winter time. It's just beautiful. I did my guac or avocado, because it's kind of guac now, because I put the onions in here. And that's all I did. I just chopped up the green onions and I put them in with the avocado. So it's all ready to go on the sandwich. Everything else is ready to go. So we're gonna get these out. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my hummus on this layer right here. Just like that. Beautiful. And again, you could use any onions you want. I love green onions. I'm not a big fan of regular white onions. People love those on burgers, raw. Just not something that I like, but yeah, I understand people love them. So I'm gonna put this patty on the bottom, right there, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put the guacamole, I'll say that for the top. I'm gonna put the lettuce in between, or herbs. Might be, let's see, can we get it all on there? I love a lot of greens on my burgers. You may not, but, and let's see, let's put, let's get 3 portobello mushroom slices on there. You know something, let's make it 4 because there's enough of that for a soup. See how beautiful these come out with that little bit of steaming these in the water. They're just, look at the texture is just amazing. I just love them because mushrooms will soak up water, oil, all kinds of other things. They just love it. Okay, so next, there's the patty with the cheese on it. That's going on top of here. You can see that start to come together, right? It's just beautiful. Oh, man, just fantastic. Okay, and then well, I call it guacamole, but it's actually just avocado and onion. That's going on top of there. And let's get rid of all this stuff over here. Okay, and let's just put this on top, right there. That is a double cheeseburger. That is just fantastic. You're gonna love this. You're gonna absolutely love it. Wow, is that just fantastic. Just can't wait to eat it. That's my dinner tonight. I'm FOODMAKER V, and remember, the best investment you'll ever make is an investment in your health. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.